What's up everyone, Mechanic on Rogue here. The wiper blades on my 2016 Volkswagen Golf are starting to streak. Nothing catastrophic, just a sign they're starting to wear out. For the cost of new blades, I'm going to toss another set on. This job can be quick and easy if you know what you're doing, so let's get into it. First things first, in their resting positions, these wiper arms don't clear the hood enough to lift up completely. Volkswagen has a built-in service mode to get around this issue. I don't usually use it because I always seem to forget about it until the last minute, but it is the correct method, so here's how it works. Turn the ignition on, turn it off, and then immediately tap the wiper stalk down once. As you can see, the wiper arms are now positioned higher on the windshield, which gives enough clearance to lift the arm completely. To remove the blade, simply depress the tab located close to the end of the arm and slide the blade off. Sometimes debris or flaking paint from the arm can jam the blade. If that happens, a small flathead screwdriver can help. Just be careful not to pry against the windshield or bend the arm. With the blade removed, always return the arm to its resting position, otherwise the spring-loaded arm can snap back with force and crack or chip the windshield. Installing the blade is the reverse of removal. Simply slide it onto the arm until the tab is visibly in the locked position. Give it a tug to make sure it is locked, and then move onto the other side. With both blades replaced, start the car and hit the wipers to verify everything is operating correctly and the blades are seated properly. If this helped you out, hit the like button. It actually helps the channel more than you think. And be sure to subscribe if you want more no-nonsense DIY maintenance. I'll see you in the next one. MGR signing out.